Alright, how are you doing? I'm Colin, this is Shineautomotive, and this is what we call a week in Shine, which is the week of what we get up to running a garage. Lewis is now cleaning the recovery truck, which this video might be out. There's another update video that sort the back lights out because the back end got fully ripped off, and Lewis has made all these brackets and welded them up himself. The only thing I made was this number plate, because I'm sick of the number plate always getting ripped off because it had a stupid bracket thing down the back of there. So number plate is now on hinges on a nice metal bracket. There we go, look at that. Police are coming. So yeah, that's on a nice bracket there. Lovely jubbly. I'll give us some brake light. They don't look very bright on the camera, but they are bright. Gives a bit of indicator. Oh yeah, I need to put an extra indicator on at the front. Oh, thanks, Lewis. Right, so let's get on with the week in Shine. The clips are random as normal because that's what the week in Shine is all about. Enjoy. Right, we've had this caution for an exhaust. These are two options, the chrome tip, and it's like nearly an extra £100 for chrome tip, so I've literally just chopped it off and welded it back on because that's saving the customer some money, and I'm not even charged for doing that. I've just done that for the kindness of my heart. So this is coming out now, and then what we're bringing in now, Lou? Fiesta, sort the front end damage out on the Fiesta, out with Lewis. Yes. Just elbowed me in the head. I've seen him. So we've got this one to fix this week as well. It's had a little bit of a mishap. The customer kindly has done all the groundwork and everything is in the back there to fix it. Touch wood. It won't be that hard to do. It'll just be straightforward, unbolt the front end, take all the panel off, and then just start again. Right, so
He's got an ST bumper.
he's not got an ST bumper. Full panel there. So to me and Lewis's surprise, everything he's bought is brand new. I hope the headlights not brand new. Everything for this motor is brand new. Wants a wheel on it, it's very buckled. We've had this in for MOT. Last week, somebody in the town nicely decided they were going to run into it and then drive off. A lady did see it and let the owner know, but they don't know the vehicle and the town won't show any CCTV. Failed on a pair of tyres, and I'm going to fly up to Nathan shortly, put a pair of tyres on it and get it retested, and it was well needing of a service. But what I'm going to do now, quickly with machine polisher, Lewis is just going to drop it down. We're just going to see if we can just make this look a lot more presentable than that. That is a right transformation. It's a lot better. What do you reckon, Lewis?
What scratch?
What scratch? What do you have to say, Matthew?
Do you really want to answer?
Yes, I do. Wow, that's looking better already. It's like all tar. I don't know if it's a wheel that's rubbed up against it or something. It has gone through to the paint in a few places, but it's going to look better. It's going to look better, mate. Thick of it off with I've used brake cleaner. You could use glue and tire remover. Compound. So I've just come to have the tyres fitted at my mate Nathan's, and look at that. Woo! How's that not blown out? Woo-hoo! Sky, you've been a lucky man.
I've just been stood here talking to Matt, and I looked up and I saw something.
Very disturbing.
It's Colin connoisseuring this wine. I might be. You said you wanted more content.
I know, but you can't get this van in it.
Oh shit.
Well, it's 5:30 in the morning and we're going to test today at Donington Park because that's what we do. We're really in for racing this year and we're really wanting to do well. So let's go and test the load. Nathan and Ryan are going to meet us here very shortly. Oh yeah, boy.
Morning.
Morning, Mr. Ryan. Morning, Mr. Nathan.
Morning.
Is your hair growing back?
No.
No. I must say our journey this morning is going very well. We're on a detour. We set off at 5:30 and it is now 8:30 and Donington Park is a 2-hour drive away. Nathan's at the helm, Ryan here. Ryan complaining. Thomas is shotgun. Shotgun Thomas. Did you just stall a car, Nathan?
My name's Nathan Brown and I can't drive.
You can't drive. But it's a good start. It's raining, I think, from this morning. We got to McDonald's, they had no food. They had the bacon sandwiches on offer and then the jam toast or whatever, and that was it. We've got here. Thomas has gone out and done one lap and then come in and it's misfiring on cylinder 2. We've swapped plugs and leads around. Nathan's just shot off to MPD in Derby now, which is about 25 minutes, probably half an hour in this weather. But this is what testing's for, I suppose. We need to find out that it's not anything like valves, because I've had it before and it's not. We've put a coil pack and the plugs and leads. Injector, the valve has dropped, so I hope it's not that. So they've gone off to MPD now, the local branch, because obviously we use the MPD. And so yeah, Nathan's gone there to get a pair of set of plugs, coil pack and some HT leads, and then we'll try that. Note to self, make sure we pack spares. Last time we came here, we came in the Vito and I packed loads of spares. Nathan looked at the spares, thought, nah, we didn't need any. We didn't need any last time, so we didn't chuck them in. I guarantee none of us now will come to a test day or a track day without spares, because this is time wasted. Even though it is horrible, the rain is horrible, but it's good to get a bit of wet practicing, I suppose. You know, a bit of wet sport. Right, there we go. Disaster, but there we go. Right, the back from MPD with a questionable looking coil pack.
You can't send them back now, you're getting video evidence.
No. They're getting returned. I don't care. They'll have been sent back before they watch the video. Ryan is fitting the new coil pack and the new plugs right now, and I pray to God it's going to sort it out. Pray to God. No, I'm just, you're sorting your t-shirt out, mate, for advertising. Go out there. Thomas is going to go and test it out, make sure she's tickety-boo. I've got water on my lens somewhere. Oh, I've got an issue with my lens, hang on. Oh no, we've got some welding splatter on the corner of my lens. If you can see there, that is not good. Never mind, hopefully this will sort it. Yeah, so I have a welding splatter on my phone, so the next few videos you're gonna have to just deal with this thing. I am so sorry, can't believe it. I did have some covers on them, but they fell off. So, nightmare. Can we zoom it out?
Nightmare.
No, we can, we'll have to zoom it out or something like that. Oh, no.
Oh, 1 second.
Plugging the coil pack in. Tell you what, you won't think that this has been rolled over. She's looking flash. She's looking flash.
Carl, do the code reader to clear the codes.
Do we need the code reader?
Yes, clear the codes.
I don't know. Where is the code reader? The codes are going to be cleared. There she is. She's on there. She's still plugged in. I don't know how to use this bit of kit. I got a what?
The engine mount's in the way.
The engine mount's in the way.
Not the engine mount, the engine eyelet to lift it. Just the word.
What's in the way?
The eyelet to lift it.
Oh, do you need to bend it back?
Yeah, but I ain't got
Right.
enough of my fingers.
Right, hang on. Do you think you get a spanner in? Tom Woods there, has he bent it back? Please don't misfire. Please don't misfire. Please don't misfire. That sounds a lot better. Oh, we have no misfire. Go rip it up, son. Get it nice and warm for a bit, lovely. That sounds good. So yeah, he's about to go on track for some testing. It's 40 minutes till lunch, and this is us going out on track for the first time. But it is raining. Cats and dogs. Cats and dogs. Waffling a lot, aren't I, today? I can't believe I've just said I'm waffling a lot today. I waffle every single day. Don't I? King of waffle. I should get a baseball cap. King of waffle. King of man that always messes around with his hair as well. Yes.
Watch your back.
Watch me back. We'll have to do all the filming this way now. I've got some blooming marks on my phone screen. Can't believe that. Can't believe that. Oh, thank God for that. Well, it's lunchtime and I've been working so hard at the garage with all the projects, working every weekend for the last 5 weekends. I think I had one evening off when I went to take some photos for the rugby lot. I can't even see. Ryan's dozing in the back. I'm spread across the front. It is raining horrendously, and the track configuration that we wanted to test on, they changed it to on the full GP, which is fun. I've done it before, but yeah, it's one of them days. I'm just catching up on some rest. I'm gonna have another nana nap. And here comes the quiet K. Right, so I've just been out for a bit of a test, and you know it's been raining and the session's over now, and it's not bloody raining. Would you believe it? It is rain constantly all day, and now it ain't raining. Right, so it's the day after testing, and we're continuing filming doing the Honda S2000, which is coming out shortly. Lewis had ground down and just painted all the control arms and bits, and he's now fitting the bushes that we bought online. No, I think the customer bought these and sent them out, and we've had some Honda camber bolts sent out. So Matthew is doing the brake pipes, and then we're going to get the freshly painted subframe up, try and get all this, if we can, fitted today, and see if we can get the back end on wheels, and then we've got the front end, the front wheel actually stone chip out. We used the new stone chip that Silverhook, well, I didn't know Silverhook had stone chip, because I normally use the Gravitex, the U-Pol Gravitex, and you can't get that. It's gone really expensive. So we got this from Silverhook, and this is, I dare say it's loads better than the Gravitex. It gives more of a texture, and nearly like one of the Raptor sort of textures. I don't know if you can see now. It's really hard to see it on the camera. I'll try and go around in the better light. You can't see the texture. Let's have a look. Can you see around here? No. You sort of see. I've got to clean this off, but it's made a good finish, and it looks a lot more darker. The Gravitex was sort of dry in a sort of grey colour. So then a bit of filler in the arches, and this video, well, that'll be getting dropped back off at the body shop, but I've got to fix the recovery truck first. Welds to grind on there, acid etch, bit of filler. And then at the body shop, I'm going to get them to clean all this rust down on here and re-stone chip that. We'll just have a scoop of filler on the back arches. And yeah, that's it. That's it. That's what we're doing today, and the date is Thursday. Oh, he didn't say that. Ryan's bought the Mini.
I've bought the Mini.
He wants a toy, so he's going to make it a track day, I think, toy, or he's going to put it on the road for a bit.
Track day championship.
He's waiting for a guy to actually finish his Subaru, you know, so he's had to buy a car off me first. So,
yeah.
What's your plans with it?
Daily it for a little bit until I sell my Subaru.
Yeah.
And then track days and maybe a track day trophy.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh. Well, if me and Nathan are doing the track day trophy in the Fiesta.
We've got Ben as well buying an ST.
Ooh. Right, I think that wraps it up for the week in Shine. I've been Colin, we're Shineautomotive. That's Lewis. Matt's in the garage. Oh, I'll just be squirting him back ahead. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye now. Thanks for watching.